Welcome back to the class by Julie Stanislas. In the previous class, that is, in section 1 and section 2 of sea turtles, we learned that the olive redleys are commonly seen nesting along our Indian coasts. They come ashore at night to lay eggs. They scoop out a cavity to lay nearly 100 eggs. They hatch 45 to 65 days later. The young ones use the tiny egg tooth to come out of the eggs. Let us learn the remaining in this part, that is section 3 in this class. 6th Standard English Samchekalvi, Term 1, Book page number 93. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, J&J English High School. Section 3. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. Dear children, what is your weight? Yes, up to 20 kg. But each tiny hatchlings, that is, young ones, weigh less than 20 grams. Imagine how small they are. For the tiny hatchlings, reach the sea is not an easy task. Many of them will become prey, that is, food to crabs or birds before they reach the water. After they reach the water, it is not easy to survive in the sea because in the sea, tiny hatchlings can be eaten by predators within few days. Predators, for example, shark, fishes, etc. In fact, scientists estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is because to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. Scientists say that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. See, out of 1,000, only one will be adult, others' lives are in danger. So, we should make sure that enough numbers of hatchlings continue to live to keep the species alive. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. So, after many years, the female hatchlings that have become adult will come to same beach where they born to lay eggs. It is one of the difficult things for humans to understand how the adult female sea turtle finds their way to the same beach where they born. Isn't it interesting? The tiny hatchlings born on land. After that, they spend their entire life in the sea. After swimming to the greater miles at the time of laying eggs, how they find their home back. It is one of the interesting facts about sea turtles. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hurt them for their meat or collecting their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nets of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastic into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Sea turtles have been continued to live for millions of years, though they have many natural dangers. But now, for the past 10 years, it was very difficult for the sea turtles for survive. The factors that threaten survival of sea turtles are: first one is humans. People hurt them for meat or collect their eggs. Second one, motorboats. They accidentally injured by motorboats. Third one, pollution. Dumping of plastic into the oceans. Plastic is a major threat to sea turtle. A turtle in the water cannot find the difference between plastic bag and jellyfish. They will often eat the bag which gets stuck in their stomach. Fourth one, construction. Buildings or other construction work on beach area also affect their nesting. These are the four factors that threaten survival of sea turtles. We should solve the problem of the sea turtle and make sure the sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Here is a few simple things to protect sea turtle. First one, avoid plastics and keep beaches free of trash. Second one, don't disturb the female sea turtle come for nesting. Third one, should be preserved from predators and human activities. As a student, what we can do to save sea turtles? First one, whenever you go to beach, don't throw the plastics or waste on the beach sand. Second one, use dustbin. Third one, if you saw a sea turtle, don't touch. Shine a light on or take flash photos on it. Remain quiet. Watch from distance and enjoy the moment. Fourth one, create awareness about sea turtle by talking about it with your parents, brothers or sister, etc. This is what the lesson is about. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in next class. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.